Good morning. We are about an hour outside of docking from Denmark and it is snowing. This is the first time I've ever been on a cruise and it's actually snowed. Normally I do hot countries and this is such a strange experience, but I'm loving it. Let's head to the main buffet for breakfast to start our day. Very fresh and crisp on deck this morning, and here we are just pulling into the port along with the tugs guiding us in. It's always quite nice to see. And we've touched down with some snow. Yay! Snow buffet! So we did purchase the tickets for the shuttle bus. So it costs €7 to get the shuttle bus into the centre of town, which is where we are off to now. If you wanted to walk into the town centre you could. It would take roughly around half an hour, but it is a pretty straightforward walk, but we opted for the warm bus. Off we go. That was quick. Let me know if anyone else does this. Untouched snow. Not untouched anymore. So here we are in the town centre of Skagen. Let's go and explore and see what we see.
Yeah, like this is a bit of a ditch as well.
Oh, is that? First snow of the year for us.
We haven't had snow like this for a long time.
Nope. Look at the prices. So the English price is equivalent from £4.60 to around 24-25 English pounds for this restaurant.
I just thought you'd have got a supermarket open.
Yeah, probably.
It sounds just meant to be snow.
I know.
I haven't heard that for a long time.
Here we are in Skagen, Denmark. It's currently about 9:15. None of the shops are open at the minute, but as you can see, lots of snow. Crispy, untouched snow. We did find a supermarket that was open, so we headed in there just to be nosy really, and also get a drink. These steaks here for 139 krona are around 11 English pound. So we got off the ship at 8:30, not realising the shops don't open till about 10-11. So we just went on a wander and found all the untouched snow we could, and the buildings are really nice. I quite like the buildings, and some really pretty picturesque areas. Of course I had to build my own little snowman. This was in someone's front garden, and no, it wasn't us that done it. Time for a lovely hot chocolate back on board. Some of my ultimate favourite sunsets are from a cruise. Also seeing the town all lit up at night is also really nice as well. And then it's time to head to the main dining room for our delicious dinner. And this bridge coming up is the famous Öresund Bridge, hope I pronounced that correctly, which connects Sweden to Denmark, and it was all lit up, which was really, really pretty, really nice to see. Look at the reflection of the colours in the clouds. How stunning is that? Thanks for watching. We really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and we'll see you in the next one.